Your support team is buried under repetitive questions, and customers expect instant answers around the clock. That's a tough spot to be in. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see every option for connecting ChatGPT to Zendesk and exactly how to pick the right one. Running a support team often feels like plugging leaks in a dam with your fingers. Agents spend their day on questions they've answered 100 times, while customers wait. The real fix isn't more headcount, it's smarter automation. There are 3 distinct ways to bring ChatGPT into your Zendesk workflow. Each one comes with different trade-offs around setup time, technical skill, and how much control you need over the final result. The most direct path is Zendesk's own AI agents, which run on OpenAI models built right into the platform. The Suite Team plan starts at $55 per agent per month, and you pay roughly $1.50 to $2 for each ticket the AI resolves. No third-party tools, no external API keys. If you have developers on your team and need a fully custom setup, you can wire the OpenAI API directly to Zendesk's API. You get complete control over routing logic, ticket tagging, and data pipelines. The trade-off is that your team owns every line of code, every API update, and every security decision. For teams who want powerful AI without the developer overhead, a dedicated integration platform is the fastest route. Tools like eesel AI connect to Zendesk in minutes, pull from your help center, pass tickets and docs, and let you test everything in a simulation before going live. Here's the full breakdown side by side. Zendesk's native AI is the most reliable starting point. DIY API gives maximum flexibility, but requires weeks of developer time. Eesel AI sits in the middle, set up in minutes, broad knowledge sources, simulation testing, and a flat monthly fee. One of the biggest limitations of Zendesk's native AI is that it only reads your Help Center articles. Eesel AI pulls from a much wider set of sources: past tickets, Confluence pages, Google Docs, and Slack. That means the AI has the full context of how your team actually works. Before eesel AI goes live, you can run it in simulation mode against thousands of past tickets. You'll see exactly how it would have replied, which lets you fine-tune its behavior and forecast resolution rates without any risk to real customers. Zendesk charges per automated resolution, so high-ticket volumes can drive unpredictable costs. Eesel AI uses flat-fee pricing, which means your bill stays predictable no matter how many tickets the AI handles in a given month. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk with a single click, reads your existing knowledge base, and starts answering tickets immediately. When a question goes beyond what the AI knows, it hands the conversation to a human agent automatically. No routing rules to configure, no webhook setup required. The right choice depends on your team's technical capacity and how fast you need results. Zendesk native AI is the safest starting point. The DIY API route works for teams with developers who need total control. Eesel AI is the fastest path for teams that want broad knowledge integration without writing code. Ready to see how it works? Try Eesel AI free at eesel.ai. Connect to Zendesk in one click, test with your past tickets, and go live without a single line of code.